Today family is hiking Hollywood Trail to the Hollywood sign. This is a much more proper hiking trail compared to the other one I did with Joel a couple vlogs ago. It's got warned by the cops way up there that we gotta turn back. This trail is popular as well. A lot of people parked here. Similar to Eden Canyon, I still prefer hiking these trails in the middle of the week. Alright, Jordan, you want to skip school and go to school?
No. There you go.
I'm taller.
You're taller?
I feel you're taller.
I think I'm taller right now. You're taller than Daddy. Okay.
Hi, bud. You want to climb down?
Yeah.
It's okay. Here he goes.
I cannot with my phone.
Daddy, where's you taller?
What?
Where's you taller?
I'm taller.
Where's your taller short? Why that?
Overall, the hike has been pretty easy, just steepy.
It's not easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's steepy steepy lemon steepy.
Yes.
Where's the mommy of you?
Let's go, bud.
Okay, let's walk.
Nope. I'm not gonna walk.
Doing good? Can you keep up? Look at all this chocolate. Want some chocolate?
Yes.
Herbie, come here.
Hi.
The old cowboys could go there.
Yeah.
There are the horses.
There are.
Right. That's cool. Go other way. It's different.
This is Hollywood Ridge.
The back of the Hollywood sign. This is
To
the front
bust
of the
the
Hollywood sign.
canyon trail.
Oh, we took the Mulholland Trail.
Where's the Hollywood Ridge?
We're here. We made it. After a much needed break, we were able to push through, finish it, and now we're gonna hike back.
Well, finish the halfway mark.
The halfway mark.
No.
Well, it's not really halfway. This is not really that glamorous up there. It's crowded, to be honest. Yeah, so this is actually, I think, if you're gonna do the Hollywood sign hike, this is a little bit more worth it. Stay on your left. Oh, that's a really good one.
One side?
Oh, but
One side?
all right.
Good job.
Was the sound effects you make?
Ouch, that hurts.
That's good rough. Not too rough for Mama.
I'm very tall.
You are tall. I'm gonna need you to hold on.
Tall than me.
Taking another break. Yeah, like not too long after. Jordan's tired. Still got the rest of that. We are still right here, the little blue dot right there. I don't know if you can see it. We gotta go all the way back here. Get on me. Okay. This is clumsier than usual. Okay. Oh god. He just threw his weight all on me. Oh. Okay, let's go. We are making much quicker progress going down. We've been doing intervals between 5 minutes of rest and 15 to 20 minutes of hiking. It's been working out. We're good. We're definitely gonna make it back a lot faster than expected. So,
Whoa, that's glass.
Dad is glad.
Knock, knock.
Say, I cannot fight you, but I can assist you.
Stop saying that.
Knock, knock. Ouch. Bless you.
You want to take a picture or I'm going to take a picture of you?
Gymnastic, you do the portrait.
Okay.
He's the director.
I know.
Gymnastic
Director.
is the phone.
Hey, you want to take a picture? Look at mom or
No
look at
picture
me.
then? Just put it straight and I'll clean it. Good job being brave about it.
Why is the butt down?
It's probably just scraped it a little. It's no biggie.
The only reason And now he wants to go to the movies. The only reason we did this is because Jordan chose to do this over going to the movies.
I think it's too late now.
And now Jordan just wants to go to the movies. It's too late now. And the only reason we finished the hike at all is because he wanted to finish it. Yeah, I'm like super late to rehearsal right now. I'm only gonna be here for the last half hour. I hope she doesn't kill me. I'm sorry, Liz.
Oh, you're here.
When you hear that part, I was possibly doing this.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no.
Nice. Can we please go over the beginning of John's? For some reason, this first run, it wasn't clean.
We're done. Okay. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. I gotta. We're done. So we're gonna got to practice my flips. Feeling pretty good about it. I'm still feeling a little nervous. Hey. Hey. Who's that? Who's that?
I'm all in it.
Okay, that's it. You guys enjoyed.
It's a wrap.
So what's going on? What are we?
So we're about to
What show is this for?
exhibition City Walk,
When is it?
April 13th.
20 months after I released this vlog, because I'm like so behind.
Why are you so behind?
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna